Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. And if today is your first time of being in my channel, my name is Linda, and in this channel I make videos and tutorials on making money, having a passive income and financial stability, because I believe money is essential for healthy living. So hit that subscribe button and join my wonderful community. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best apps that can help you make money and get directly into your paper accounts.
If you're eager to boost your earnings, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting money making tips. Let's dive into the list of the best apps to make money. App number one, Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback shopping app that offers incredible deals and help you earn when you purchase your everyday items like groceries, clothing, and more. If you love shopping, Ibotta is the app for you. The app has partnered with over 300 stores across the countries. You can redeem your rewards through PayPal, Venmo, or gift cards. You can also earn rewards by referring friends via referral links. Ibotta is free to use and you can earn a welcome bonus of $20 when you sign up. You earn cashback on your everyday purchases by simply scanning your receipts. It's like getting paid to shop. App number two, Feature Points. With Feature Points, you can earn points by trying out new apps, playing games, and taking surveys. Once you have collected enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal cash. It is a fantastic way to make money while discovering new apps and having fun. App number three, Swagbox. This popular app allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. You can accumulate points known as Swagbox and then redeem them for PayPal cash. It's a fun and easy way to put some extra money in your pocket. Every 100 SB, which is Swagbox, is equivalent to $1. Swagbox has a sign up bonus of $5, and there's an opportunity to regularly participate in paid online surveys that can pay out up to $300. App number four, Survey Junkie. By sharing your opinions and completing surveys, Survey Junkie rewards you with points that can be converted into paper cash. With a user friendly interface and a wide range of surveys available, you can start earning money right away. It's a trustworthy and to date has over 10 million members. This app typically provides users with surveys on products, services, and more. Each short survey can pay you up to $0.50 or more. You can withdraw your rewards via PayPal or choose e-gift cards as a payment method. Once you accumulate 1,000 points, it's equivalent to $10. You can request a payment. Survey Junkie doesn't pay as much as some of the other apps on my list, but is a convenient way to earn some extra pocket money. App number five, Accounts. This app is not only a great way to save and invest, but it also offers a feature called Found Money. When you make purchases with Acorn's partner brands, they contribute a percentage of your spending directly into your Acorn's account. You can then transfer that money to your PayPal and watch your savings grow. App number six, Rakuten. Rakuten, previously known as Ebates, is an app that allows you to earn cashback when you shop online. You can earn from 1% to 40% or more cashback on your purchases. Rakuten offers payouts through PayPal, checks, or gift cards. If you're a regular shopper, Rakuten can help you earn passive income. The app has over 12 million members and offers free shipping coupons, discount codes, and more. App number seven, Panel Place. Panel Place is typically a survey site that has an app to facilitate surveys on the go. The app offers a variety of online surveys, user testing, and mystery shopping. You get paid via PayPal or other payment methods such as bank transfer, Pioneer, or gift cards once you have accumulated the minimum payment threshold. Panelplace is one of the most popular survey apps and has over 400 survey partners across 40 countries. App number 8, Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a survey site and app that allows you to earn rewards points for various activities such as surveys, watching videos, playing video games, and many more. You can redeem your rewards for paper cash, gift cards, or even Bitcoin. Users can also participate in daily, weekly, and monthly contests to win extra points. Price Rebel is available to users from all around the world and is an excellent way to make some extra cash. And finally, app number 9, Profilic. This app is specifically designed for paid online surveys and research studies. By participating in these studies, you not only provide valuable insights but also earn real money that can be transferred to your paper account. It's a great way to make a meaningful impact and get paid for your time. And there you have it, friends. The best apps to make money and get it straight to your PayPal account.
Whether you're taking surveys, any cashback, or offering your skills, these apps offers fantastic opportunities to help you boost your income. Remember, with the power of these apps, you can turn your smartphones into money-making machines.